Thousands of new social networks are created every year, but when Clubhouse was launched in April 2020, it has spread so quickly all over the world. Let's answer the question, how Clubhouse was an instant success. Recently, the richest man in the world, Elon Musk, is influencing markets through his tweets. On January 31st, a single message on Twitter was enough to increase the shares of Clubhouse Media Group Incorporation by over 1000%. It's a pity that those shares didn't belong to the social network. Clubhouse is an unusual social network, different from the others. It hasn't any photo or video. We started from the TikTok boom to the success of a new social network totally different, based on an audio chat system. It isn't addressed to the children and kids, but it is addressed often to high-profile adults like scientists, philosophers, managers, and so on. At the time, despite the success, Clubhouse is a very exclusive application, downloadable only by the iOS device owners that received the invitation from another user. For all those who like me have an Android device, maybe have to wait some months to download this new social network. Before seeing how it works, leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Inside the digital platform, you can create or enter in a room where users asking for permission from the room creator can record audios. The other users, however, can follow the conversation and interviews like an evolution of the podcasts. We can easily find some winning differences with the podcast, differences like the immediacy of the audios and the interaction of speakers. With Clubhouse, for example, podcasters don't need to register and edit in a single audio track a second or a third person for an interview. They only have to add the account in the room to talk to anyone they want. The Clubhouse growth is immediate. In May 2020, the audio chat application had just 1,500 users and a valuation of $10 billion. But today it counts 8.5 million downloads and a $1 billion valuation. This growth is due to a big spread in China, where all the social networks are controlled by the government. Social networks like Facebook and Instagram are illegal, and for months Clubhouse gave to Chinese population the opportunity to communicate their thoughts freely. Another big boost in the Western world is given by one of the most famous entrepreneurs in the world, Elon Musk. Everybody knows that Elon Musk loves audiobooks and podcasts because he can listen to them when he's doing something else. So how will a man like him miss the social of the future? In my opinion, Clubhouse will be a niche social network because it hasn't the same power to relax and enjoy people after they have worked all day. It will be a serious social network used by people who want to learn and discover new things and intellectuals who want to discuss their thoughts. It will not be a social for kids or people who are not interested in complex topics. Another challenge will be creating infrastructure that can be able to moderate the audio sent. Maybe the complexity of this operation will compromise the freedom present in the platform. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.